I published this tile layer in my ArcGIS online, and then one thing that I kind of liked about it is the colors that the Google Map uses, and then I wanted to take on those colors and use them on my layers in ArcGIS Pro. But the obvious thing, or the solution that I thought would work for me, is get the plugins and to get the colors, the RGB colors or the hex that is being used by the by this map. But the moment I installed the plugin and tested it out, it was not working. So I had to default to one thing, and then I thought, wait, what is the best thing that I can do to kind of get this color, and then I can replicate it or use it, in my Symbology in ArcGIS Pro. So in my the tile layer that I published in ArcGIS Online, I took it here, and then from this point, if you click Ctrl+Shift+I in your Windows machine, and then on elements to kind of launch the developer tools, and then go to filter here, search for color, and then you can enter, scroll all the way down here, and there is this section here called color, and there is this square here. If you go ahead and click on that, it pops up these color picker sort of a thing here, and if you hover around your map, you have that maybe I can call it a lens, where it has like pixel in there, and if you go ahead and click on that section there, you see it updates the hex value here. And if maybe take a look at this one, so if you go ahead and click on this section, it still updates the same. So, and this is the most the crucial thing that you want to pick, and then take it to your color chooser in your ArcGIS Pro. So I'll go back and click on this because I need the color of water, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and click, and this is hex, so I'll copy that. Well, you have quite a number of options. So there is the RGBA, and then the HSLA, quite a number of them, so you can leverage on that and use that. So this is the variant that I picked, and then came back to my ArcGIS Pro. So one thing that I want to do here is that I will tick off the tile layer, and then this is the layer that I want to change the values for. So I'll maybe point to the symbology of that, then I'll go to the option there, I'll go to color properties, and then I'm on RGB, and then the hex value. So this is what I want to paste in there, and I had already done that for that particular layer. So you'll click OK, and then one more other thing that you can do, if you just want to retain that layer, you can color, you can go to save color to layer, and maybe you can give it, for this case I'll call it Google water color, and it'll be saved in your favorite, and it will be available in your maps, and you can go ahead and say no. Okay, so that is it, and it's a cool thing, and I found it to be very nice, in an instance where I'm working on this map and I want the colors to be sweet colors, and that's it. So thanks very much for watching. Subscribe for these and more contents. Thanks. Bye.